My name's Kelly Monsager. My husband Matt and I own FOAMit. We've owned it for 2 years now. We manufacture industrial cleaning equipment.
When we got hit with COVID, we blew up just because we manufacture equipment that sanitizes and foams everything. We were on a homegrown system and our inventory was getting way out of control. It directly impacts cash flow. Mostly we were just doing this MVP system at that time, which was minimum viable product, just to get everything out the door and keep things coming in and going out. Then it was like, who's going to support the system and how do we do it? We really needed someone who understood business end to end. And so that was the transition to Eide Bailly.
Our CFO got real busy and found several companies to interview, and so we felt like Eide Bailly was the best fit for us. The deciding factor was definitely the amount of questions and the interaction that we were having with Eide Bailly. They wanted to know about our team, know about why we were doing things the way we were doing, what we wanted to do in the future.
So we went with the Power BI project first with Eide Bailly to kind of test the water, see how it went. And it went really well. And the team worked really well with my inside data analyst. And she got up to speed real quick working with the Eide Bailly team. I was getting people who cared about my team learning it, not just having it done and then they keep kind of maintain it. Eide Bailly gave us a consultant who had manufacturing specific background. They gave us a consultant that had the NetSuite piece, and the two worked together to optimize our floor and make those changes in our first phase. From there, we decided to go ahead and step into the manufacturing project for Lean It, which was huge because that was really getting to our floor and rearranging the floor for optimization and flow, and then really digging into our inventory.
I wanted the floor to feel less chaotic, more controlled, safer. I wanted to understand the amount of work that we had in each work cell and how we could expand to that.
It was a new layout that was recommended from Eide Bailly, was to have everything within a line.
This next phase we're moving into is actually going to be obtaining the minutes of our builds and understanding what products and how many minutes each product take for planning and scheduling of resources. But even already, we've just realigned the floor for better flow so that the products, just the way the products are coming off the line and shipping down and hitting the shipping warehouse end where they're going to be loaded onto trucks and containers and sent everywhere from Europe to Australia, that flow is so much better. So it's just saving time. Then we can better plan our resources.
I cannot stress enough of the importance of finding the right match in a consultant or a consultant firm in this case. Like, I love the idea of having so many different opportunities to pick and choose from. It's so important when you're doing these projects. Our word this year is optimize. So everything that we're doing, we're like, last year was great, but now what? How do we optimize this process that we have? And so how I see Eide Bailly playing into that is continually helping us to maintain those processes and getting them even smoother than they were before.